We built a project called Alpha Traders. Alpha Traders is a platform where you can sell your gift cards, you can trade your cryptocurrency, you can buy and you can sell. This is a solution we sat down as a team to build to help people who want to start their trading platform and they don't have the right script. We have actually developed a script to give you this solution. I will show you everything step by step, how it works. You can sell gift card, you can buy crypto, and you can sell crypto. So I'm going to explain how this project really works. And if after watching this video to the end, you need this very script, all you just need to do is go to the comment section. You will see our WhatsApp number there, or you see a link there. Click the link there and it will take you to where you need to get this very script. If you need any modules or you want to add any modules to this very script, we are available. And if you need any other project, you can contact us. We are going to build the project according to how you want it to be. So let me take you through Alpha Traders project. The Alpha crypto is majorly for mobile view, not desktop. So we didn't actually build it to be desktop view. So we built it like a mobile app. Is that okay? So you may try to view it from your desktop and it will not appear well. You understand? So it is majorly for mobile phone. So now once you log in, this is the first screen you are going to see. Now you can actually create an account. If you already have an account, you can just log into your account. So I'm just going to log into an account I've created before, so that I will just do like a demonstration. Now, if you are just creating an account for the first time, you have a security question. Is that okay? You have a security question that you need to answer. Then once you verify, it's going to take you to your dashboard. If it is the first time you are creating an account, you need to verify your account. If you don't verify your account, you cannot really use the system. Is that okay? So now all you need to do is click on verify account. It will take you to the KYC, then select any system you want and you upload. So once you upload, the admin is going to approve your account. So let me log out and log into an approved account so that I will demonstrate everything. This is an existing account. You see my total balance. I have 405,720 naira. I have sold gift cards worth of 9,000 naira. So now, if you come here, you see we have sell gift card. We sell card. You see we have sell card, buy crypto, support, withdraw. So how the system work here? If you sell your gift card, your money will be sent to your total balance. Then you can click on withdraw and withdraw your money. Now, once you place your withdraw, the admin will receive the request, create your account and process your withdrawal. That is how we build the system. So anything you are doing on the system, you are actually seeing everything here. Then you can place a withdrawal. Let's say I want to sell gift card. I click on the gift card. I can check the category, food or anything here. Then let's say I want to sell this Netflix. All I need to do is scroll down, put the amount I want to sell. If I don't have the fixed amount, I just click on order and type the amount I want to sell. Now, as I just put it there, you are going to see the rate. You are going to see the amount you are going to receive. Then you click on sell card. Then you can actually, either you want to upload an image or you want to, enter the numbers of the gift card. Then once you're done, you click on sell. Now, immediately you click on sell, it's going to bring you to your wallet, which is your transaction here. So you are going to see pending transaction until the admin approves it. Is that okay? So same thing with crypto. Immediately you click on the crypto, you are going to see it's going to display a crypto market for you. It will display a crypto live market, like it is live. You see the price of Bitcoin. If it is going down, you're going to see it. If it is coming up, you see top gainers, you can see top losers, you can see trending, you can see new listing and everything. So from here you click on trade. Now if you click on trade, you can either sell or buy. So it's either you are buying or you are selling. Let's say I want to buy crypto. Now I click on select currency. I want to buy BTC. BTC worth of how much? Maybe I want to buy $150 worth of BTC. Then I put my wallet address. Now the payment method, we have two type of payment method. You can actually buy using your available balance if you have an available balance, or you can actually buy by bank transfer. Once you click on available balance, it's going to refresh your available balance, how much you have to send. Is that okay? So you want to buy BTC worth of $150, then you are going to sell 222,000 naira. If you are buying up to $200, this is the exchange rate, the buying rate that this person is using. So this project, you can actually use it as your personal project. Now, if you are buying up to $4,000 and above, this is the buying rate. If you are buying 5 plus and above, this is the buying rate. So there is an instruction there. Everything is made visible for everybody to understand. And don't worry, yes, you can actually manage everything from your admin dashboard. Now, let's say you want to buy through bank transfer. You just click on bank transfer. Then you are going to see the admin's bank transfer or the owner's bank transfer. Then you make your transfer and you make your trade. Now, once you make your trade, it will be showing pending in this very place, and you see pending here. Then you see the trade here pending. Is that okay? So other features is you can actually make use of the live support. You can create support. You can view your support. Then other features are withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw. The most important thing there, you are going to see available balance. Then you put the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say 6,000 naira. Then you select your currency, if it is BTC or naira. Now you select your bank. If you don't have a bank, it will prompt you to create a bank account. So I already have a bank, or if it is true crypto, you select crypto and you select your crypto you created. If it is true bank, you select the bank you've created before. Is that okay? Then you can actually add a description, or if you want to add a description or not. Now, if it is your first time here, if you come to this place, your profile, you see other security things. You see your personal information here. You see your security, like you can make changes to your password, and then you will see verified. Immediately the admin verify your account, you are going to see verify here. So we placed a blue badge here so that you can actually see everything in that very place. Is that okay? So if you click on wallet, you are going to see your wallet here. Then you see where you can actually create your bank account. If you click on wallet, this is where you click create your bank account. Then you can actually create your crypto wallet if you don't have any for the now. So that is just that about the system. So let's go to the admin dashboard so that you know how the admin dashboard works. This is the admin dashboard. I'm just going to log into the admin dashboard so that we'll see. Now this is the admin dashboard. We have notification for anything. You see the notification here. Then you see your dashboard, and you see your latest transaction details down here. Is that okay? Now, first of all, the admin bank transfer. Like if you want people to be doing bank transfer, this is where you set your bank transfer. Is that okay? So I can actually edit it. You can actually edit it, your type and everything. So if you want to add another one, just click on it and add other bank accounts there. So you can have different bank accounts for people to actually make transfer. Then here you can actually manage users. Is that okay? You can actually manage users. So from here you see which user is verified, which one is spending and everything. So you can suspend user. Then you can view user. Then you check if the KYC is active or not. Now, if I suspend this very user, the user will not be able to actually check or access their account again. Then you can delete user. Is that okay? Now, manage gift card. This is where you actually create your gift cards. If you scroll down, so we have like 6 gift cards created. You can actually create others. Just click on create here and fill your details, upload your gift card logo, and create it as simple as that. Now, crypto transaction. Anybody that sell or want to buy crypto, this is where you see the transaction here. Is that okay? So you can actually view the transaction. You click on view. Then you see the person's details. You see the proof of payment. You can actually view proof of payment. There is viewable. Then you see the person's user balance, blah, blah, blah. Then you see the transaction the person have made before down here. Now you see the Naira value. You see the exchange rate. If it is the status, if it is pending or is approved. So you see. Now you see if it is buy or it is sell. Then you can actually approve it or not. So to everything, every transaction you are doing on this system, your users get their notification. Now, if a user sells gift card, you click on this all transaction. This is where you see your gift card and your withdrawals. Is that okay? Like see gift card here. You can click on view. Then you see the gift card that person want to sell. Then you see the amount you are supposed to credit the person. Is that okay? Now, immediately you approve, it's going to credit that user's account. Like I said, once you approve, the user's balance will be top up and the user can place withdraw. Once the user place withdraw, you come to withdrawals. You see the withdrawal request of that very user. Is that okay? You see the withdrawal request of that very user. You can actually click on view. Then you scroll down. You see the bank details of the person that you need to pay the money. Now, once you pay the money, all you just need to do is click on approve. Once you approve, the person will be notified. Is that okay? Anybody that submit support ticket, this is where you see your support ticket. You can actually view. You can actually view the support ticket. Then you can actually reply. You click on reply and you reply to the support ticket. KYC management. All the KYC that is submitted, you are going to see them here. You can view. You can view the KYC, then you can approve. Is that okay? Like this person is not approved yet. All you need to do is click on approve. Once you approve, the person is going to receive email notification. The email setting, very important. So this is where you change your email setting, your host name, your username, your port, your password, and if it is SSL or TSL, so you update it. Then these are the email write-ups. So you can actually change your write-ups. You see the welcome email for first registration, KYC email, you see transaction email, everything. So you can actually update it from there. Then last but not the least, I'll go to system setting. Now from this system setting, this is where you update your crypto setting as the admin, like your BTC, your wallet, blah, blah, blah. So this way you add them. You can edit them as well. Is that okay? You can edit them, then you can actually add orders. Now you click the wallet, then you choose the network, if it is TRC or ERC or BEP20. Now exchange rate, like that exchange rate for your gift card, is that okay? Or your crypto. Now you see your buying, which is your crypto. You see your buying rate and you see your selling rate. So if you want to create a new one, once you create the crypto symbol, the crypto name, how much is the buying rate, how much is the selling rate, then you add. It's going to appear there. Is that okay? Now, if you click on general settings, from here, you can manage all the settings of the site. The color, the favicon, the logo, the name, the address, the email address, everything about the company. This is where you actually enable it. Is that okay? So if you scroll down to social media setting, Telegram, blah, 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 all. Now you can actually make it, enable it to be maintainer mode or the rest. Then you can actually make it auto approve small transaction. You can disable or enable KYC. So right now, KYC is enabled. If you want to disable it, you just click on it. And that is all. That is all about the system. This is your admin profile. So this is all about the alpha traders. Like I said, if you need this script, just click the link below this very video or chat us on WhatsApp and get this very script, as easy as that, for your crypto selling, Bitcoin selling and buying. Just start your trading platform.